How to become a Flirt over 40 Part 1. The F in Flirt stands for focus on skills, not the relationship. I know you relationship people out there, maybe you've had one or two relationships and you're going out there and you're trying to date as if you're trying to find your new boyfriend or girlfriend, but when you do that, it's too much, too soon, too fast, too heavy, and that's not sexy. So one of the things that I love telling people to do is focus on the moment of being playful, building skills so that you can get to the boyfriend and girlfriend. It's kind of like running a marathon, right? Like if you're trying to get to the finish line, it's never a good idea to race to the finish line without exercising those muscles. So what we're doing here is we're exercising those flirt and fun muscles so that you get to the boyfriend or the girlfriend. And when you do that, you are more present and you're out of your head and you're gonna have more fun. So I had this client, Sandra, and she was divorced. She came out of this long marriage, and not only that, she was a high achiever. So she gets out there and she starts dating, and the first thing I noticed that she was doing is she was vetting these guys hard. She was treating every date like a win-lose situation. And if she didn't succeed, she would come back and it would just kind of add to the depression she was having. And she was completely burnt out from dating. Not only that, because she was a relationship girl, she went in with every date being too much, too soon, too fast, and too serious. So these guys would come back and say, you know, you're a really nice woman, but I just didn't feel the attraction. And so I started working with her, and one of the things that we really had to work on is letting go of the outcome. And we did this by having her date up a storm and really practice the art of being playful, being goofy, telling stories, that it wasn't about the facts, but the feelings that these guys had with her. And that was a really hard thing for her because she would intellectualize every single kind of behavior that she would do or the guys would do. So as she started dating these guys, to her surprise, she was actually having fun. And quite honestly, I created a monster because she started dating up a storm and she said to me, you know, I'm not sure I even want the boyfriend. And because she let go of that, she was more present. She was out of her head. And guess what? Guys came back and actually said that they found her attractive. And then guess what happened? There actually was a guy that not only she liked, but he liked her as well and found her attractive, desirable, and sexy. It totally renewed her sense of sexy confidence. It's time for dating to be easy and fun. And if you want to know more secrets, go to flirtover40.com.